And we are in front of the Roadcar 540 Plus. This is the spec with a complete price spec of 53,000 euros. Let's go inside and check this 540 van. Perfect for two people. Getting inside, we'll find a smaller dinette, just like standard for this type of vans, and this is an Fiat Ducato chassis with the swivel chairs. On this side we have one cabinet, and they kept this part here so you have additional space on top. And when sitting down, you could probably fit some kids there, but there is not so much space on the lower part for two bigger adults to sit there. From this side we have a pretty nice deep 90 liters fridge and the two cooker stove. On the upper part we shall find a big deep cabinet, and under it we have three slide out cabinets fulfilling all your needs when camping out. From that part we have a standard toilet setup that's actually pretty good, with a Thetford cassette toilet and sink. Actually not bad at all, with a window, of course. Getting outside, we're finding two additional cabinets on each side of this campervan, and they're pretty deep. I will be measuring the bed from the back, and we're going outside straight on the back of this 540 Plus. And let's measure firstly the bed. So we have 1.318 from this side and 1.354 from that side. So, and pretty good bedding for this size of the bed. And we can measure the garage part. On the widest part is 0.9, and from this part is 1.2 meters. And not bad. There you have it, a pretty affordable Roadcar 550 Plus with the price of 53,000 euros for this actual model.